Howdy y'all, welcome back. I had a mail call yesterday. Figured I'd go over it with you. I'd been looking locally for a torch similar to this, and they was all just too much for me to be able to get. I found this one online at a really reasonable price. And for anybody else that might be looking for one, I figured, well, I'll go through the packaging, show you what you get, and then you'll be one step further ahead. Now, this one is made by Harris, which is a division of Lincoln Electric. Pretty good brand, usually for most of their items anyway. 500,000 BTUs, which I reckon is going to be a little bit better than that brazen torch that I got. And it's called the Inferno. So, hopefully here in a little bit, if my body lets me, we'll take it outside and hook it up and maybe do some wood burning. But hang on for just a second here and we'll go over what's inside the package. Got my trusty razor knife here. See if we can cut this thing open and not go into the hose. We'll speed it up just a bit. Nobody wants to waste time watching the cutting of the packaging. And let's see what we got here. Got a striker with child-proof packaging apparently. See if we can get that off of there. There you go. Alright. And yep, she works. Good deal. Okay, what else we got? Well, there's your standard warning tag. And here's the destructions. Is that a booklet or a paper? No, it's a paper. Multifold. Probably got a couple different languages in there. Oh yeah, there's English and looks like two others. Well, do English. Doesn't look like they have the other language that I speak fluently though. Let's see. No, just English. They don't have sarcasm in there. Alright. And we're going to jump forward past the reading of the destructions and get this unpackaged the rest of the way. Get them zip ties cut. See what else they got in here. I tried using a condenser mic on this and it just didn't work, so this is a voiceover. The unit itself seems pretty sturdy. You can see they got a nice, what do they call that, a rosebud I think on the end. It's made out of heavy gauge metal, and the burn rod itself is pretty sturdy. And they got a really nice, I want to say plastic handle, but it almost feels like it's a composite. But it'll definitely provide a good solid grip, insulating from the heat. I don't know if y'all can see that very well or not, but it's pretty comfortable. And the valves seem to operate smoothly. They seem to be pretty well made, sturdy. It comes with a 10-foot hose, standard 20-pound or bigger propane tank fitting on the end of it, and this is for propane only, so I wouldn't try hooking it up to anything else. Well, let's see if we can get some things moved outside and maybe test this thing out. Probably won't be able to be out there very long, but we'll give it a shot. Okay, got everything hooked up. Tank's good. As you can see, we got snow on the ground. It's pretty cold out here. We've got the two pieces that I burnt earlier set up on these blocks. Get the camera on the tripod. Go over and grab up that torch, see if we can't get her fired up. Alright. There we go. It doesn't seem very strong. Make sure that tank is turned on all the way. Yeah, it's good. Maybe I don't have the valve on the handle up all the way. Whoops, let go of it. Yeah, you let go of that handle and that torch will go out. Well, I got the tank on all the way. I got the valve on the handle on all the way. And the grip valve is squeezed all the way. We've got a very slight breeze today. Very slight. And this thing seems to be more like a upside down tiki torch than a blowtorch. Not getting much pressure out of that at all. I figured it'd be, well, like a blowtorch. But no. It's obviously going to be hotter, cover a little bit more area, but I was hoping to hear a whoosh and see a nice long flame coming out of there with a blue tip, but no, this is, I don't know, don't seem right. Might have to look into that. I think we're gonna fast forward here, maybe throw a little music in and see what the end result is. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty disappointed in this right now. If that's the way that it is supposed to function, this isn't going to do me much better than that brazen torch I've been using, except that I'm covering a bit bigger area. I have to hold it in one spot for a long time to get it really good and charred, and that is not what I was looking for. So we're going to shut it down, do a bit of research online, find out if that's how it's supposed to operate, or if something's wrong with this unit, or heck, I don't know. Anyway, I'll let you know what we find out. I hope maybe this was helpful for somebody. Until I see you next time, grace and peace, y'all.